This is a COVID-19 deaths prediction. It's sad news really that there's that many deaths there. But the only good news is that this prediction says we're reaching the peak of deaths. Although it's really still expected to be on the rise. Now, to predict this, I use Python again, and this time I'll use a new library that's pandas, and I use this pandas to get the data to make this code. So this is the degree of polynomials, number of days to predict, and I think you could guess what these really mean. Data from https://coronavirus.data.gov.uk, and this is pandas.readcsv because I got the CSV file from there. I have to convert the datetime string to datetime object, otherwise it just won't work for Python. Generate the X matrix of independent variables using this code. Model the curve with polynomial series, which is what I did in the last video. Yeah, that's what I did. Predict on possible deaths yet to come, which is deaths in the future, which may not look like it was supposed to go forward to the peak. The average error is 85 deaths. As you can see, 85. And that's very close to 1, so that's good fitting. That is labeling the date. Now that is prediction. Plot the original data, which is the data that has already passed. That's it for this video. I'm going to leave you with this curve fitting and the fact that we're almost nearing the peak, and the goodness of it is almost 1. So please subscribe to keep updated. Please like and share. Goodbye.